So this is converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions. So on the emulator, first thing we need to do is press menu. You should get this page comes up, and we just need to go to run, which is this corner here. So press 1 or execute when you're on it. So the first thing is to press 1 ABC, 2 ABC, ABC 5. Press execute and you can see it converts it to an improper fraction 7/5 straight away. For the second question, 11 ABC 3 keeps it as an improper fraction, so what we have to do is convert it. So you press shift and then you press F to D. F to D just stands for fraction to decimal, and then you can see it converts it there to the mixed number 3/2/3.